Welcome to a special segment of Ikaw at ang Batas dito sa RNG Luzon. And we are very happy to welcome a guest who is a veteran legislator, veteran barangay executive, is a member of the Knights of Columbus and other various organizations in the city of Baguio. And there is actually no need to introduce him because he is very well known in the city of Baguio, former Councilor Joel Alangsab. Welcome, sir.
Yes, sir. My former colleague in the City Council. I'm Joel Alangsab, born here in the city of Baguio and raised also here in the city of Baguio. Part of my childhood I spent in Bulanao, Tabuk, Kalinga, Apayao. My parents are from Mountain Province and the province of Benguet, kaya mistiso po tayo. I also, of course, graduated from St. Louis University, AB Political Science.
Yan. So, like I said, we have an experienced veteran here. So, what will you do if you get your comeback seat at the SP?
Yes, sir. We will continue on with the tagline of Serbisyong Naglalagablab. The past years, when we were both together in the City Council, I think hindi naman po tayo natutulog noon. Isa po tayo doon sa mga sinasabing talagang nagtatrabahong City Councilor in the City of Baguio. We had authored so many ordinances that benefited the residents of the City of Baguio. For example, the smoke-free, vape-free Baguio. The nonagenarian ordinance giving 10,000 to those who will be reaching the age of 90 years old. Tayo din po ang author ng prohibiting the splitting of Mumakwit in the city of Baguio. We are also the author of the mental health and wellness development program in the city of Baguio and other various ordinances like the Balili River Day, the cleaning up of our inland waterways so as not to continue polluting the Balili River.
Okay, so any final appeal? It's the last week of campaign.
Tama po. Maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita sa akin dito sa iyong program. And I know marami pong manunod dito. As I was saying, comebacking po tayo. And kung tayo po ay nagtrabaho nung tayo andyan, mas dudublihin po natin ang ating pagtatrabaho para po talagang mapangalagaan ang kapakanan ng mga residente ng siyudad ng Baguio. Makikinig po kami sa inyo. Kaya po ako'y humihingi uli ng inyong tulong para ako po'y maibalik sa konseho. Ang number ko po sa balota ay number 1, Alangsab.
So that's it. We wish you luck, Sir Joel.
Yes, thank you, sir.
And see you soon.
See you soon, sir.